So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBP USD. So let's see what GBP USD is going to be giving us for the week. But first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, please, you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what GBP USD is going to be doing for us for the week. Now let's start with our weekly time frame. What do we say the trend is? Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. And as you can see, so far so good, this is an uptrend move. Our overall trend on GBP USD is an uptrend move. We are very much on an uptrend move. This is a very much bullish move, right? Now, if you have to zoom it in right here, you see that market is currently ranging within this level. We can also highlight some ranging move, which is the resistance right here. This is the support right here. So whenever markets rally up to tap this resistance, we tend to see a rejection from the resistance that will drop back to the support, right? Markets will eventually reject from the support and come back to tap our resistance. Then it will reject from the resistance and drop back to tap our support, right? Markets also rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance, right? Now markets eventually rejected from our resistance and drop back to tap our support. Markets eventually rejected from the support and it has now come back to tap it has now pushed on to tap our resistance. Right, so in the long run, we should be expecting GBPUSD to reject from the resistance and drop to tap the support level, right? That is what we'll be expecting anytime soon. So we'll be expecting market to reject from this resistance anytime soon, and it should drop to tap our support, right? That is what we'll be expecting. Now let's go down to the daily time frame, guys. What can you say market is doing right here? Market is now rejecting from this house resistance. So 3 days ago, market opened and closed bearish. This was on Thursday, market opened and closed bearish. This is on Friday, market open and close bearish. So market is now starting to reject from this R resistance level. So it is not of a surprise that markets will most likely going to give us a pullback before it eventually drop again. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP USD, you would want to be going in for the sell. So a bearish move is what you should be expecting anytime soon, right? So we are expecting for a sell right on your GBP USD. So expect it to rejects as it has rejected from this level, right? Now it has given us a pullback, so we should be expecting markets also reject on this resistance level and drop back to the support level in the long run. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So now this is the movements. At first, market did give us multiple rejection at this zone, which made market to drop to break this neckline, right? Market has now given us a pullback to retest the same level. And guess what market is doing? Market is now dropping again. So if in case market pulls back to tap it again, market will eventually drop. So what we are trying to say is that this week will most likely going to be a bearish move for us on our GBP USD. Although the overall trend on GBP USD is an uptrend move. That is it. The overall movement on GBP USD is an uptrend move. That is the full bigger picture. On GBP USD, we are in an uptrend move. But what market is doing right here, market is currently rejecting from our resistance level, and that rejection will likely play out and drop. Now, let's go down to the 1 hour time frame, guys. This is a massive sell right here. This is a massive sell, but market has given us, right? Expect it to give us a pullback and possibly give us another sell. So, guys, above all, this will be a bearish move. If there will be any changes to this prediction, as there's a possibility that markets will likely change, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys to know. So if you do not want to miss out on the update, it's very simple. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.